I've been using Cuisinart appliances in my kitchen for years, and they've always made cooking feel simple, reliable, and a little more enjoyable. From quick weeknight prep to cozy weekend recipes, I trust Cuisinart to deliver consistent performance every time. Finding the best Cuisinart food processor can feel hard when every model looks the same online. The best Cuisinart food processor for most home cooks is the one that fits your counter space, batch size, and daily meals, not just the highest wattage. I've used Cuisinart machines for salsa night, pie dough at Thanksgiving, and quick weeknight slaw, so I know what works in a real US kitchen and what can be a bit bulky or loud. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender Food Processor. The Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender Food Processor is a nice choice if you want one machine that handles both blending and light food prep without taking extra space. I like using it for smoothies in the morning and quick chopping later in the day, which makes it feel practical for busy kitchens. The 500W powerful motor blends frozen fruits smoothly and handles simple chopping tasks without much effort. The 7-speed touchpad gives you more control than most combo units, so switching between puree and chop feels easy. It works well if you want the best Cuisinart food processor for small kitchens or multi-use cooking. The glass blender jar feels sturdy and easy to clean after daily use. The food processor bowl is smaller, so large prep jobs take more time. Still, for versatility and convenience, it feels like a smart all-in-one option for everyday cooking. Number 4. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce food processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce food processor is one of those small tools that makes daily cooking feel easier and faster. I reach for it when I need to chop herbs, dice onions, or grind hard cheese without dragging out a full-size machine. The reversible steel blade gives you two simple options, chop or grind, which helps with texture control. The 24-ounce work bowl is just right for small batches like pesto, salsa, or baby food. It works well if you want the best Cuisinart food processor for light prep and quick meals. The push-button control feels easy and beginner-friendly. Cleanup is simple since the bowl and lid go in the dishwasher. The only limit is the small size, so it is not made for dough or big batches. Still, for quick everyday tasks, it feels reliable and convenient. Number 3. Cuisinart 7-Cup Pro Classic Food Processor. The Cuisinart 7-Cup Pro Classic Food Processor feels like a balanced choice for everyday cooking when you want power without a huge machine on the counter. I like using it for weeknight prep, from slicing vegetables to mixing dough for small batches of pizza or cookies. The quiet 600W motor runs smoothly and does not feel harsh or loud, which makes longer prep sessions more comfortable. The large feed tube also helps when working with whole vegetables, so prep feels faster and less fussy. This size works well for families or anyone looking for the best Cuisinart food processor that fits regular meals without taking too much space. Controls are simple, and the interchangeable blades make switching tasks easy. The only drawback is that very large batches need 2 rounds. Still, it feels reliable, easy to learn, and well-suited for daily home cooking. Number 2. Cuisinart Elemental 4-Cup Chopper Grinder. The Cuisinart Elemental 4-Cup Chopper Grinder is a small but very handy tool for quick daily prep when you don't want to pull out a large machine. I like using it for onions, herbs, nuts, and small batches of sauce because it feels fast and simple. The blade lock system keeps the blades secure, which makes setup feel safe and easy, especially during busy cooking. The auto-reversing blade helps chop and grind more evenly, so textures come out consistent without much effort. This size works well for small kitchens or quick meals, and it can be a good choice if you want the best Cuisinart food processor for light tasks. Cleanup is easy since the parts go in the dishwasher. The only downside is the smaller capacity, so large batches take extra rounds. Still, for everyday chopping and simple cooking, it feels reliable and convenient. Number 1. Cuisinart 14-Cup Stainless Steel Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-cup stainless steel food processor feels like the kind of machine you grow into over time, especially if you cook often at home. I found it very helpful for big meal prep, from shredding cheese for family dinners to making smooth hummus on weekends. The 720W powerful motor handles heavy tasks well, and the extra wide feed tube saves time since you do less pre-cutting. This model works well if you want the best Cuisinart food processor for large batches or holiday cooking. The controls are simple, which makes daily use easy even for beginners. Cleanup is also manageable, since many parts go in the dishwasher. The only downside is that the slicing thickness is not adjustable, so precision cuts take practice. Still, for consistent power, durability, and reliable results, it feels like a solid, long-term kitchen choice. Final verdict. If you want one reliable machine that handles most kitchen tasks with power and ease, I personally recommend the Cuisinart 14-cup stainless steel food processor as the best overall product and my top pick. Its strong motor, large capacity, and simple controls make meal prep faster and less stressful for daily cooking or big batches. For a specific need or purpose, the Cuisinart Elemental 4-cup chopper grinder is a great choice if you want a budget-friendly and compact tool for quick chopping or small jobs without taking up much space. Check the links in the description for current prices and more details, and pick the food processor that fits your style and needs best.